Hi everybody, it's Jason Tholey and I'm the managing broker of Tholco Real Estate Group. Today we'll be discussing the importance of doing a final walkthrough with your buyers before they close on a house. This little tutorial is directed mostly at agents, but it's definitely a good tip for buyers as well. A final walkthrough is very important because the buyers need to make sure that everything in the home that they're buying is still intact when they made the offer, that there's been no damage or vandalism done to the property, and if repairs were done in escrow while under contract, that those repairs have been completed to the buyer's satisfaction. One common mistake that we find some agents make is doing a final walkthrough on the day that the property is scheduled to close escrow. Now typically this is fine, but in the event that something in the property is not to the buyer's satisfaction, then escrow can be delayed. We've seen several days and even up to a week. I recently heard a horror story about an agent the other day that did a walkthrough with their client on the day of closing, and a pipe of some kind was apparently leaking in the attic, which made the drywall and the ceiling come down. Fortunately, this agent is definitely on the ball, and they were able to quickly resolve the issue, so the escrow closed on time. But in my mind, I was thinking, what would happen if that wasn't the case? Putting myself in the buyer's shoes, I would suspect that an agent would have a very unhappy buyer on their hands, and considering that the buyer most likely has made arrangements for moving trucks and days off work, etc., for the move, they probably wouldn't be very happy. So in closing, I would just like to remind all the agents out there to set aside appropriate time for proper walkthroughs. We usually do 24 hours, and that pretty much covers it. But do whatever obviously you're comfortable with. If you have any questions on this or any other video, please feel free to email me at jason.tholey@tholco.com, or you can visit our website at www.tholco.com. Thank you.